Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, I'll be discussing with you CumaBalm Eye Balm review. So, you might be wondering, what is CumaBalm here? Now, CumaBalm here is an eye area balm from CumaSkinCare, positioned around reducing under eye puffiness, smoothing fine lines, and brightening dark circles. Now, the formula centers on curcuma longa, or turmeric, root oil, along with retinol, ascorbic acid or vitamin C, tocopherol or vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, Peonia officinalis flower extract, Chondrus crispus extract, and Butyropespermum parkii or shea butter here, and also the brand it states it's free of parabens, sulfates, and other harsh additives, and describes the formula as developed with input from dermatologists. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, the site's general instructions is to just apply the balm to the under eye area as part of a regular skincare routine, with a cooling, easy to apply texture designed for daily use. Now, the brand describes visible results building with consistent ongoing application rather than a single use here. Now, when it comes to the pricing itself, well, according to the website here, currently it's priced at around 39.95 per unit and a 9.95 shipping. Now, they do have bundles here like 3 units and 5 units. Now, with 3 units, you get 26.65 per unit and you get free shipping. A total of 79.95. Now, the 5 units here, you can buy this for around 99.95 and basically free shipping as well, which equates to $19.99 dollars per unit. So, yeah. Now, if you were to actually are looking for and using this one, well, I would highly recommend you to first recommend or to consult your doctor first or your dermatologist, especially if you have any sensitive skin under the area or in general you have sensitive skin. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.